Divide polynomials using long division method. Question 1. Here is x square plus 9x plus 20. We will divide by x plus 5. So first we have to divide this x square by x. So here is x. So we can write x square plus 5x. Then subtraction minus, and this plus become minus. So x square out. Here is 9x plus 5x. So 4x plus. Here is 20. So 4x divide x, it will be 4. So we can write plus 4. So here is 4x. 4 times 5 is a 20. And finally here is minus, here is minus. So this one out, 0. So our result, answer x plus 5. Look, x plus 5 times x plus 4, it should equal to x square plus 9x plus 20. So first question answer done. Second one. Second, here is y square plus 10y plus 21. We will divide by y plus 3, right? So first, this is 21. First y square divide y. So here is y. So y square plus 3y minus y square out. So here is 7y and plus 21. 7y divide y, it will be 7. So plus 7. So once we multiply, it will become 7y plus 3 times 7 is a 21. So here is minus, this one out. Result is 0. So answer x plus 7, and also x plus 7 times x plus 3, it will become what? It will become y square plus 10y plus 21. So question 2 done. Third question, x to the power 4 minus 7x square plus 7x plus 6, we will divide by x plus 3. So first, x to the power 4 divide x. Here is x cube. So x to the power 4 and times 3 with x cube, it will be plus 3x cube. Then sign will be changed, right? So x to the power 4 and x to the power 4 out. Here is minus 7x square plus 7x plus 6, and here is minus 3x cube. Then minus 3x cube divide x, it will be minus 3x square. So here is minus 3x square. Then it will be minus 3x cube, and with 3, once we multiply, it will become 9x square. So minus 9x square. So once we subtract, here is plus, here is plus. So minus 3x cube plus 3x cube out. Minus 7x square and plus 9x square, it will be 2x square, and here is plus 7x plus 6. Then here is 2x square, so we can write here plus 2x. So 2x square plus 3 and 6, once we multiply, 6x, right? Then subtraction, here is minus, this one out. Here is just x and here is plus 6, right? 6. So here now we will take only, now it's a very complex situation. How? Look, here is x, here is x. So once we divide, we will get 1. It means we can take 1. X times 1, it will be x, right? But once we multiply 3 with 1, here is also plus 3. So once we subtract this x out, it means 6 minus 3, it will be 3. So now what can we do? Here a remainder is 3, but these kinds of scenario we can write plus 3 divide x plus 3. How? Look, once we multiply with x plus 3 times 3 divide x plus 3, right? Then this one and this one out, so this is 3. Okay, so against this one we can write 3. So here is minus this one out, 0. And finally our result is this one. It means we can write x cube, then minus 3x square, minus 3x square, then plus 2x plus 2x plus 1 plus 3 by x plus 3. Very interesting. So no more today. I am trying to solve 3 polynomials and we will divide by using long division method. Please subscribe my channel mathZip. I will make this kinds of video next time also. So if you don't want to miss this, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.